Data shows that many people have experienced some type of failure of their adaptive equipment because of a motor that was damaged due to a failed shutoff switch or faulty remote. This can happen if a motor gets stuck in an on position. The crane or lift will eventually reach a stopping point in its process of movement. When this happens, the power leading to the motor can experience an increase in amps or voltage, and if not powered down, can lead to a motor being damaged. The Adapy mobile app and Adapy Smart Hub can monitor the electrical current within the system and send an off signal to the device in the event that it recognizes a spike in the current that is not within the range of the device's specifications. We understand some adaptive equipment come with these preventative measures in place, but a large majority are lacking this technology. Adapy protects the equipment it is connected to, not only to mitigate risk using the Adapy system, but also mitigate risk from the existing equipment that might fail.